Maayong adlaw mga ka-take off buddies. Kung hanap nyo ay city adventure with a chill and comfy stay, Cebu City should definitely be on your list. From rich history and vibrant food spots to shopping and cultural destinations, Cebu never disappoints. At syempre, hindi magiging kompleto ang trip namin without a super convenient and relaxing place to stay. Seda Central Block Cebu. Grabe, sobrang laking tulong ng location nila. Walking distance lang from the mall and super accessible to different establishments. We stayed sa kanilang one-bedroom suite and ang spacious niya, besh. May washer and dryer pa. Sobrang lifesaver lalo na after naming magtabuan for danggit and chorizo. In the morning, we feasted on their buffet breakfast. May local and international flavors from Mediterranean to American up until Indian. Kung foodie ka, mapapa-exercise ka talaga dito eh. Kung gusto mo naman mag-relax or mag-burn ng calories, pwedeng mag-dip sa pool or quick gym session. Tapos, lapit lang din sa iba't ibang top Cebu attractions with bus, taxi, and ride-hailing access. Discounts ba ang hanap mo? May nakita kaming 40% off deal on Seda Hotels. Yes, including this one sa Cebu. Check mo na lang sa comment section for the booking details. So make sure to bring your best OOTD on your next visit dito sa Cebu. Enjoy that perfect staycation vibe here in the Queen City of South.